Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. This is what I eat in a week. Lately, I've been trying to lose weight and just overall eat healthier and make better decisions and choices. And so I decided to make this video to show you that weight loss does not have to be that difficult, that complicated. You just have to find the right diet that works for you. So I was very terrible and actually forgot to film every single one of my meals. So I tried to do the best that I did, but I learned so much through this journey. Eating healthy does not have to just be salads and boring food. You can make it healthier if you just read all your ingredients. So in this video, I'm showing you a lot of the macros and stuff that I've been eating. I cut out seed oils and have just been really paying attention to the ingredients in my food. So here is a video of things that I have just been eating. This right here has been just a quick and easy meal. I do have a video that is coming out on my weight loss journey. It's going to be actually a docu-series, but this particular video is just a bunch of different things that I've eaten in a week. So starting off in the beginning of the video, we had some crab cakes and some buffalo cauliflower tacos, followed by some sausage, eggs, and then broccoli and chicken. And now waffles, macho cinnamon waffles. And now I'm eating chili with cheese and tortilla chips that I absolutely loved. This is from the Siete brand. This next thing that I'm eating is cauliflower ravioli. It is amazing. I got this at Erewhon. This is really another easy meal that you can make quick and easy, and it's all healthy ingredients. This is marinara from Trader Joe's. So quickly just heat that up. This is something that I make for lunch. So like I said, it doesn't have to be a boring salad. I don't think I could have achieved a successful weight loss if I just stuck to boring salads. So really just started paying attention to everything that I was consuming, and everything so far has been amazing and fun, and learning new recipes and learning how to cook has been an absolute journey, to say the least. Now I'm going to show you that it is possible to have a weight loss journey and still indulge in things that you like. Here is green tea ice cream. The hardest part for me has been to not eat as much. So as much as I do not want to count my calories or weigh my food, the reason why I started doing that is because I got to a point where I was just overeating. I was overeating and eating to the point where I just couldn't even breathe. I could not stop myself. I literally just wanted to eat. And these are some chips that I've been consuming as well. Here are the macros. There is no seed oils in this. All the ingredients are fresh, and I just weigh out the portion, and I'm still able to consume and eat things that I want, but portion control. I suggest, if you are on a weight loss journey, to at least count your calories for a whole week. I use the app Lose It, and the reason why is because you really don't know what you are consuming or how many calories you're consuming until you actually sit down and do this, and you'll be surprised and shocked by when you actually weigh your food and eat what is recommended on the package that you are really overindulging. And that was something that I didn't realize until I started this weight loss journey. I thought I was consuming like 2,000 calories a day, and it was more close to like 3,000 to 4,000 a day. So just buy healthier, wholesome ingredients and you'll be fine. Also, there are so many diets out there that it becomes overwhelming to like what to listen to, and what I realize is it just depends on who is footing the bill. I've watched so many documentaries over the past couple months, and literally there are so many documentaries on trying to get you to eat plant-based, but then when you look at all the plant-based ingredients, there's so many things in there that are processed and have like seed oils. And why I'm bringing up seed oils a lot is because they contain omega-6s, and when they are heated up, actually are pro-inflammatory, and that causes inflammation. So opposed to like omega-3 fatty acids, which is supposed to like reduce inflammation. So it is just realizing who's footing the bill for what diet. There's keto, paleo, like so many different diets out there, and you're like, it's so overwhelming. You're like, what do I believe in? And you basically just have to find the right diet that is sustainable, that is lifelong, that you can do forever. So I think I finally found mine, and it just consists of many different foods that I love and enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.